Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious seafood fried rice. And as you can see, I've got my canned crab meat here. And I've just poured this in a strainer to separate the brine from the meat. And I have here some salmon as well. I prefer to use salmon for this recipe because it is less bony. So after I cut everything into small cubes, I'll go ahead and season it with some salt and black pepper. We want the delicate and beautiful taste of the salmon to shine, so we are not going to over season this. Once this is done, we'll go ahead and proceed to making our fried rice. I also have some prawns here. To begin, we will go ahead and fry the salmon. Hello, this is Owusue's kitchen. You are so welcome, and if you are new, please be free to subscribe and join the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So I'll go ahead and remove the fried fish as this is done. Wait until it is nice and golden just like this and remove it from the oil. Once the fish is fried up, I went ahead and reduced the oil a bit. And then we'll go ahead and add our prawns and season it with some salt and black pepper as well. And on top of it, I'm going to be adding some parsley leaves. Stir everything together, and then it is a good time to add some freshly chopped garlic as well as some chopped chilies. Give everything a good stir, and these prawns, my dear, taste so delicious already. I've just added about 1 teaspoon of butter, and when it melts, it becomes so buttery and garlicky. This is truly a nice base to start our fried rice with. Over here, our crab meat has drained nicely, so I'll go ahead and take it off and add it to our well-seasoned prawns. Give everything a stir so that it also absorbs some of these beautiful flavors. Once you are happy that it has absorbed enough, go ahead and remove everything from the pan. The crab meat is still intact. With all the stirring, it still hasn't broken down into pieces, and it tastes amazing. And add some of the oil that we reserved earlier to fry the onions. I'm only frying the onions for about 2 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and add my chopped carrots. At this stage, you want to make sure that your fire is on a high heat so that the vegetables are not overcooked and also retain its vibrant color. And then we will top it up with some green peas. You can use any of your favorite vegetables to make this. And my lovely, if you love your chilies as much as I do, go ahead and top it up because it's seafood fried rice after all. So go ahead and add a little bit more chilies so that it really gets balanced well. At this stage, my vegetables are good. So I go ahead and add my boiled rice, and I'm using basmati rice to make this fried rice. Stir everything together, and now look how beautiful and colorful this fried rice is already. And it isn't sticking together at all. I boiled the rice with some coconut oil and bay leaves. Okay, at this stage, we go ahead and season it with some vegetable seasoning. This is the brand that I normally use. It's so good. If you happen to see this in the shop, give it a go. You would absolutely love it. It goes so well with rice dishes. And at this stage, my lovely, you can, if you wish, add some soya sauce. I decided to leave mine with no soya sauce, and so I went ahead and added the fried salmon together with the fried prawns and crab meat, and then scraped everything in there together with all that beautiful juice, and then top it up with some onions and a little butter. Give everything a stir, and I'm telling you, my dear, this fried rice is so delicious. You would absolutely love it. So give everything a good stir. And just like that, my lovely, this seafood fried rice is ready to be enjoyed. You would love this recipe. So kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with your bell on. And I'll see you again in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.